Hello guys, my name is Jet, and today I will be showing you how to make a Lego grill. Okay, you will need 4 slanted red bricks and 4 slanted blue bricks, 5 orange studs. One needs to be darker, 2 cabinets, but one needs to open. They need to open up the opposite ways. 1 2 by 8 piece, 2 lobsters, which are optional. You don't have to use them. 2 of these. I don't really know what they're called. And 2 1x2 bricks. So let's get started. First, you take the 1x8 piece, or 6, I don't know which one. And then you take the cabinets and put them right here. This one with this cabinet opening up on this side needs to go on this side, and then the other cabinet needs to go on the other side. So now you should have this. Then you take the 1x2 bricks and put them right there so that I can stand up. So you should have this. And then you take 4 white color orange stubs and put them right here by the cabinets. And then you should, like that. Then you grab these, and then you put them on the 4 orange stubs. Then you should have that. So that's the grill part. And then you have the food. Plus, now the darker color orange stub, what is the seasoning? Well, it's just some type of food, so you put 4 red ones in a cabinet, or you can mix them up, and then put 4 blue ones in the other cabinet. Then close the cabinets up, and then they should look like that. Then you close them up. Then you put the lobsters on top, like this. And then, so your Lego minifigure can walk up, open up the cabinets, pick out what he wants, and then he can like put it on the stove. So, or the grill. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and write comments. Thank you.